puppies. Puppies at almost 3 weeks old. Ayan, nakakalakad-lakad na sila. Nakakalift na sila ng head. Nakakagapang-gapang na.
Mama, si Pipto eh. Si Adam.
Malilikot na sila. Ang cute! Ayan, they're trying to get out of their bed.
Come here,
This one is Pip.
Mama.
They're all trying to get out of their bed. Testing their new legs. Hi there, Shashi. This is Shashi. Hi, Shashi. Hey, look at them, so
Mama, si
cute.
Sandy. Sassy. Sino ta? Naglakad-lakad. Sino yun?
Si Sassy. And there's the mommy.
Ali!
My little puppy.